We're rating EAS alarm. This is USA right here. Listen. To be honest, kind of sounds like Siren Head. And I don't like Siren Head, and it's like a dial tone, so it could be like sometimes scary or 4 to 5. Let's see. Next up is Germany. Let's see. Oops. Yo, Germany. Wow. I'm not disappointed in you at all. And Germany's not on here. Okay, the next one I saw was Denmark. Let's see. Denmark EAS alarm. I don't know what to say to this. He's all like, la 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 la. Is he saying you must eat the nuggets? Not even scary, but it is funny. There should be a tier list for how funny it is. The next one I saw was South Korea EAS alarm. I actually like that when it kind of sounds like Megalovania. South Korea, Megalovania is kind of scary, so I would put sometimes scary. Now the next one I saw was I found the Israel one. Holy, what? 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 If that just blasted in the middle of the night, Israel did a good job on scaring me. Now the next one is the China one. The last one was the China one. Now that's kind of terrifying. She's like counting down and then the alarm. That's scary. That's scary. Okay, let's see. What's the next one? Malaysia. We're gonna do Malaysia. I heard Malaysia was pretty. Holy, what? Malaysia would be sometimes scary because that is pretty loud, to be honest. Now, next we're going to do where my dad used to live. We're going to do the one that my dad wanted to hear. Papa! Yeah. Come here, you're the one who wanted to see this. You're the one who wanted to see this. Huh? You're the one who wanted to see this. I know, I'll see you later. You're gonna miss it. The baby is crying, son. Okay. Cool. You know what? Not that scary. Not that scary. What's the next one I saw on the list? We're gonna do Switzerland next. No. that sounds. To be honest, I don't really know. Not that scary. Let's see what's next. No. No. We're doing the Brazilian EAS alarm. Everybody, I got great news. You are going to Brazil. You're going to Brazil. There's nothing you could do about it. What's the next one? Iran. Okay, let's do Iran. Iran. Okay, Iran. Iran, you didn't even try, although race cars are pretty scary to me. Oh, never mind. Next, we're going to do Japan. Japan EAS alarm. Japan, it's kind of a scary vibe because, you know, that cute little alarm kind of freaks me out. It kind of freaks me out, to be honest. Any more minutes of this? Next, we're going to do Australia. Australian. Oh my God. It's kind of scary. Yeah, I mean, it would be sometimes scary. Let me see what's next. We're gonna do Saudi Arabia is next. That's like the opening from like a 1930s movie. And I like Godzilla. So not that scary, man. What's next? We're going to do Canada next. Canada's next. Canada. Sometimes scary. What did I see next? New Zealand. New Zealand's next. Oh my holy Lord. Never mind. You know what? We'll do like a few more. Gonna do Taiwan.